Yarny friends, I'm Sara, Sach, and welcome to my Christmas Eve video. I finally get a chance to wear my Santa sweater. It's been so warm, I haven't been able to wear it, and it's going to be warm today as well. Well, I wanted to do a special Friday Fun Day on Christmas Eve 2021. I'm going to show you a couple of cookies that I made that are super easy, just in case you forgot to make those cookies for Santa. And then I'm going to talk to you about the word that I have chosen for the word of the year for 2022. So come along with me and I'll show you my cookies. This is our Grinchy cookie. It's made with a cake mix. And all you need is that cake mix and a few other tasty ingredients. This cookie is our 4-ingredient peanut butter blossoms. And this is a birdhouse that has a cardinal on it that my granddaughter and I did together. Now this is a Wilton kit. We got it at Michael's, but you could find it probably on the Wilton website. Don't those cookies look easy to make? They are. They're super easy and probably things you already have in your pantry. So no reason to forget to put out cookies for Santa. And they're super easy recipes. I did double batches of both yesterday with my granddaughter, and we took them around to some of our friends in the neighborhood and shared them. You might think I was trying to be charitable and share my cookies, but the less cookies that are around this house, the less cookies I'm gonna eat. I've got a fun joke for you, and then we're going to talk about our word for the year. Are you ready? What did Santa Claus name his new Christmas puppy? Santa Paws. That's just a little funny for you. All right, now let's talk about the word that I have chosen for our 2022 word. So the word that I chose for our 2022 word is contentment. And I chose this word because when I put that out there on Tuesday, that I was going to have another word of the year. The last couple years, we chose joy and peace. And I think the result of joy and peace is contentment. And so I looked it up in the dictionary, well, you know, online, because I wanted to know exactly what other people thought about the word contentment. And really, contentment is even when you're going through rough patches in your life, you can keep the inner joy and inner peace. It's not easy to do. And that's why it's going to be a challenge for 2022. The last couple years have been a little rough on all of us. We have lost people that we love, family that we love, friends have been sick, and lots of other things, family issues, and all of that as a result of some of those things through the last couple years. 2022 doesn't look any brighter, but we can be content and make it brighter, not just for ourselves, but for those around us. And one of those ways that we can do that is through our craft, our art, crochet. And in this particular thing, what I want to do this year with my word of the year, contentment, is to reach out more to others, giving more of my crochet to others. And I started that this Christmas. I gave a bunch of my things away. A lot of my tester things. A lot of times I do a test and then I have others do the test and then I'll retest it again. So sometimes for every pattern that I design, I make 2 items. And we collaborate what works best, stitches, techniques, and things like that. Well, I have those extra things like 2 blankets for a pattern or something like that, a scarf, a hat, baby blankets, things like that. And so I gave a lot of that stuff away at Christmas, and I'm going to continue that because I feel like that when I reach out and give to others, then I am encouraged as well. And that's just one of the things that I want to do. Now, I'm going to talk more about this next Tuesday on our live video because we're going to be talking about all the new things and all the same things and just the things that we're going to be doing for 2022. So I'm going to tell you, buckle up, Buttercup, because we are going to hit the ground running and have a great 2022. See you next Tuesday, y'all. And thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube channel because, as I always say, I can't do this without all of you. See you later and Merry Christmas.